Welcome to MotorMav. Today we will talk about Dodge Charger key replacement cost. The cost of Dodge Charger key replacement can vary depending upon what your vehicle you own and where you live. Besides, the key replacement price also depends on the key type you need and where you get the key replacement. Let's see. Key Type 1, Basic Key. A 1990 to 2006 year model key replacement can cost you $133 to $168. Key Type 2, Transponder Key. A 2000 to 2018 year model key replacement cost you $141 to $194. Key Type 3, Phobic Key. A 2008 to 2020 year model key replacement cost you $173 to $264. Key Type 4, Remote Head Key. A 2004 to 2018 year model key replacement can cost you $163 to $216. Key Type 5, Key Fob. A 2012 to 2022 year model key replacement can cost you $244 to $386. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video. See you soon. Till then, goodbye.